Okay, dear children, in the last video I solved till third main. We'll continue with the exercise 3.4, that is fourth main. Fourth question. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. See, we need to write first common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. How can we write that? See, first I need to write the multiples of 3 which are less than 100. How I'm going to write? Start with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 70, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. These are the multiples of 3 which are less than 3. Next, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96. We cannot write 100 because less than 100. They asked us to write the number which are less than 100. We cannot write 100. Now, what are common multiples here? Now, 3, 4. Okay. Next, 12. Next, is 16 there? No. 20 there? No. 24 is there. Next, 28 is not there. 32 is not there. 36 is there. Next, 40 is not there. 44 is not there. 48 is there. Next, 52 is not there. 56 is not there. 60 is there. Next, 64 is not there. 68 is not there. 72 is there. Next, 76 is not there. 80 is not there. 84 is there. Next, 88 is not there. 92 is not there. 96 is there. So, what are the common multiples? Therefore, common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100 are, see, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. So, please note this down. If you have any query, please let me know. Next question, fifth question. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? See, I have taken only 2 A and E. So, rest you should verify. So, how can I verify the given 2 numbers are co-prime or not? See, I need to find the common factors. If there are no common factors except one, then I term the given two numbers are co-prime. See, we'll start with this A. 18. What are the factors of 18? 1, 2, because it is ending with 8. 1 plus 8, 9, 3. See, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Then it is divisible by 3. 4 is not a multiple. 5 is not a multiple. Since 2 and 3 are factors, 6 will be factors. 7, 8 will not be factors. 9 will be factor. Then 18 is the factor. So these are the factors of 18. Then what about 35? 1 is a factor of 35. So 2 is not a factor, 3 is not a factor. Then 5 is factor. Then 7 is factor. Then 35 is a factor. 35. See, when I look at these two numbers and their common factors, only 1 is a common factors. Except 1, are there any common factors? No. So, since 1 is the common factor of since 1 is the only common factor of 18 and 35, therefore 18 and 35 are co-prime. You can write in many other ways. I have chosen one of the way, that is, since 1 is the only common factor of 18 and 35, that is the reason 18 and 35 are co-prime. So next, E, 216 and 215. Since the numbers are bigger, I use division method for working on the possibilities of combinations. 216. We should start with the smallest prime number and we should use prime numbers to divide. See, 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 is less than 2. I will place 0. 2 8 is 16. Next. So 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Again 2. Because numbers are ending with the even digit, that is the reason I'm using 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. So since it is not ending with even digits, I can't go for two divisibility. Now 2 plus 7 9. So I can go ahead with 3. 3 9s are 27. Next 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Next 215. So I can't begin with the 2 because number is ending with 5. So next 3. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 8. It is not a multiple of 3. Next, it is not divisible by 4. I will start with 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15. And 4 plus 3 7. It is not divisible by 3. So only 5 and 43 are the factors of 215. 43 is a prime number. See, 43 is not divisible by any number except 1 and 43. Only factors of 43 are 1 and 43, hence it is a prime number. We'll stop it here only. Whenever you get a prime number, you should stop there only. We can't proceed. See, what are the factors of 216? So 1, 2, 4, 3 is there. 3, 4, 2 2s are 4. Next 5 is not there. 6. And after 6 is there 8? Yes, 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Combination possible. Next 3 3s are 9. 9 ka combination possible. 10, no, not possible. 11, see, no, 11 is not a multiple. Next 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 is possible. Next, what about 14? No. Next 2 2s are 4 is over. 8 is over. 12 is over. 14 is not there. 15 is not there. 16 is not there. 18 is 18. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. After that 18, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So many such combinations are possible. As of now, only 5 and 43 are the factors. We will verify. We will stop it here because only we need to extend till 5 and 43. So 5 and 43 are the factors. See, 1, 5, 43. So what are the possible common factors? Only 1 is the possible common factor. Therefore, since 1 is the only common factor, 1 is the only common factor. Since 1 is the only common factor of 216 and 215, hence they are co-prime. Please note this term. Okay, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number the number is always divisible? See, there is a number that is divisible by 5 and that is divisible by 12. And the question is, which other number is always divisible by these two numbers? So, see, we need to find one number. That number should also divide the given number. So 5 into 12, 60. Okay, 60 is a number. 60 is a number which is divisible by 5, and 60 is a number is divisible by 12. And we need to find some other number which is also divisible by the other number. The other number is 60. Yes or no? Is 60 divisible by 60? Yes. Okay. What was the question? The question is, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. There is a number which is divisible by 5 and 12. By which other number is always divisible? See, whenever such questions are asked, you multiply these two numbers. Whatever the product you get, that number is always divisible by that number. That number is always divisible by the product of these two numbers. Therefore, 5 into 12, 60. So, the number is always divisible by 60. Sorry, the given number. Therefore, the given number is always divisible by 60. Okay. 7th question. A number is divisible by 12. By which other numbers will that number be divisible? See, I will consider one number which is divisible by 12. 24 is a number which is divisible by 12. So, we'll check by which all the number that number is divisible. Is it divisible by 1? Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because it is ending with 4. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible because 2 plus 4, 6. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 12? Yes. See, if the number is divisible by 12, then it is also divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. What are these? These are the factors of 12. Yes or no? So, whenever the question is asked, a number is divisible by certain number, by which other number will that number be divisible? In that case, we should write the factors of the given number. The factors of the given number will always divide the... See, if x is dividing y, if x is a number, it is dividing y, then all the factors of x will divide by. Here also 12 is a number which is dividing the given number. Then all the factors of 12 will always divide the given number. So same thing I am going to write. The factors of 12, that is 1, 2, factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are the numbers will divide the given number. Understood? Please note this down.